beautiful friends, my beautiful family, my beautiful people. Again, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It still feels so good to say, and I am still so shocked and so amazed. I get to be on here every single week and just be here with you guys and share the content that I truly think is really going to help you guys. Today, you guys, is going to be something completely different, so please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget, you guys, subscribe to the channel. I will also put my Facebook and Instagram as always, you guys, and I am going to also link the product that I'm using as well too. So should you have any questions, or if you want to know more about this actual product itself, I will link the link at the bottom in the comment section. So again, you guys, if you have any comments, please drop them in the comment section, and let's get going, you guys. So this is, you guys are seeing the au natural. You are going to see the good old stuff, you guys. So we're actually going to be doing a hair treatment, hair oil mask. So I'm going to show you guys what I just received. So this gal, her name is her name is Erim, but her product is ByErim. So you guys, I really have been wanting to try this for a really long time. I have been following her, I want to say for over a year-ish, and I actually started following her because I was really liking the way she would put her makeup on, and she has this whole journey to where she is today with this oil. And you guys, I really am so excited to try this out, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So it is from the UK. She's from the UK. She's from London. So you guys, honestly, it probably took like not even a week for me to actually get the product, which is insane. So when you guys get the packaging, it's going to look just like so. It comes in a little box, but you guys, the bottle is just so stinking pretty. So that is what it looks like, you guys. So again, this bottle itself, it's glass. I believe she also used this, like the little stickers that she uses, they're actually recyclable as well too. So she has put a lot of thought into this bottle, and I'm also going to explain the bottle and the way the name is actually on here. I'm going to also explain, because there's actually a story behind it, you guys, and it's super interesting. So again, we're going to try this out. I'm going to tell you guys what ingredients come in here. You guys know, if you've been following me either on my Facebook page or you've watched a couple of my previous videos, I have talked about how much I love to do hair masks and oil masks. So I'm super excited to try this out. You guys can see I went blonde because I thought it would be fun. So here we are today. When you guys get the package, you're gonna get that bottle, and she is so kind. You get a little letter from her just saying thank you so much for believing in me, and it's signed by herself, you guys. And then what she also does is she gives you, I'll wait for that to zoom in. Basically, you put your name on it, and it's got month 1, month 2, all the way to month 6, and you basically talk about how your hair is. So growth, shine, and softness, you discuss all of that month to month. You guys, I have seen results, and it's insane. I am truly, you guys, I have noticed my hair, I go through these phases where in the summer I'll shed a lot, and then in the winter I'll shed a lot. So I'm really excited to see how this oil is going to either help me or what it's going to do for my hair. You guys, this is the only product I will be using. So again, I will be taking my vitamins like I normally do, and I have been for a very long time. So nothing is changing that way. My diet has been consistent for the last month. So this is the only thing I'm adding on to my hair care system, or whatever you want to call it, but this is the only thing I'm adding. So nothing else, it's just going to be this product. So you guys are going to see before and after pictures, and I will also post a video showing you guys results month to month. I have already taken a picture, so again, we're going to see you guys what it looks like. So let's get going. Let's talk about this product. So in this product, you guys, and I'm going to read it right from the bottle itself. It's got Amla Oil, which is the same thing as Amla Oil. It's got coconut oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, rosemary oil, bergamot oil, I want to say, maybe that's how you say it, and lavender oil. So again, you guys, she has listed the ingredients in there. She is pretty open about what ingredients are in here. She has been building this oil, you guys, for 10 years. So it's taken her a very long time to build this oil. There's also on the back of the sticker, it does say how to use it as well too, but I am going to read, you guys, she does have it on her site as well too, so I am going to read how you basically use it. And you guys, like I said, I will post the link, so you're more than welcome to look on there as well too. So it says, on the roots, rub 2 pumps of our oil with your fingertips and massage into roots and scalp. Use this treatment twice a week and leave it in for a maximum of 2 days. all over hair using 2 pumps of oil. Massage your roots using your fingertips. Depending on the length of your hair, apply 3 to 4 pumps onto the palms of your hand to run this through the length of your hair. Feel free to use more, 15 pumps if you have longer hair. If you're just using it on the ends, it says pour 1 pump of the oil into the palms of your hand and rub them together. Push all the hair into a side or gather in a bunch and gently press the oil into the ends of your hair. This can be applied daily and left in until you next wash. This is also meant for guys as well too. So if you have a beard, friends, you guys can use this as well too. So it says here, use 1 pump in the morning or evening. Rub the oil through the roots to the ends of your beard. This can be left in until you're next washed and applied daily. So you guys, again, this is meant for men, women, you guys name it, it can be used. And then you guys, I really want to chat really quickly about the actual bottle itself. So there's a whole story behind this. So again, I'm going to show you guys, so again, you guys, I'm going to kind of show you that and see how the Y connects to the I. You guys, there is a story behind that. So I'm going to tell you guys what it is. So you guys, I will also put Erim's information, like her Instagram as well too. So if you guys want to follow her, she is the most genuine person you could ever meet. She is just so kind. And you guys, like I said, I've been following her for over a year, and I truly did not buy this bottle till recently. So it did take me a while, but I'm super excited to try it out. But she is the sweetest little gem ever. So the name, you guys, it is inspired by Erim's beloved mom, who had passed away. The name Erim derives from the Arabic word meaning paradise. The packaging, it is like I mentioned, a glass bottle with a unisex design, perfect for everyone's counter. So again, there's so much thought to this bottle, you guys, which is insane. The story, Erim and her grandma have been working on creating the perfect balance and quality of oils for over 10 years to help all people reach optimal health. So again, you guys, like I mentioned before, this has been in the making for 10 years. So this has the perfect formula, should you say, because it's been in the works for so long. The logo, Erim designed this logo from scratch with the Y spilling into the I to symbolize the fluidity of the oil itself. So again, you guys, so much thought to that. So much thought. The sustainability. Our bottle is made of glass, which is 100% recyclable, and our sticker is water-soluble paper. We're also working on the first carbon neutral warehouse in the UK. So again, you guys, she has put so much effort and thought into this little bitty bottle. And again, this story, you guys, is on her Instagram. So feel free, like I said, I will post her Instagram on here so you guys can totally go check her out. But let's get going. Let's get to the good stuff. So when you guys get it, you are going to kind of have to twist the little pumpy a tiny smidge, so just kind of twist it around. I have, you guys, my hair is like 4 days old, so it's definitely really greasy. It's also, I work out every day, you guys, so it is sweaty and all of that good stuff. But you guys can tell, like, look at my ends are not extremely dry, but they are like, they do need a little bit of some tender love and care. They need some TLC. So let's get going, you guys. I'm going to start off with 2 pumps, and I've seen her do this on her page all the time. So I'm going to start off with 2 pumps, and she also suggests you guys to rub it in the palms of your hands and then take a deep breath in. Because of the oils that it has, you guys, it's honestly so relaxing, and we're gonna just massage it. So again, I'm just gonna kind of run it through my scalp like so, and you guys can tell, like, I do have, again, my hair is 4 days old, you guys, so it does have my natural oils already in it, so it will be a tiny bit greasier. The other thing that you can also do too, you guys, and she does this always, is she actually puts it in before she goes to the gym and then just ties it up in like a ponytail like so. So again, just kind of like a sleek ponytail. Like I said, my hair is a little extra greasy because I have been working out and I haven't washed it for 4 days. So again, see how you can kind of just like sleek it up and pin it back. So the nice thing about this as well too, you guys, is you can honestly use this like a gel because it gives you that beautiful sleek finish, which every girl wants, a nice beautiful sleek ponytail. You guys can absolutely use this for that. I'm gonna take another pump, I think, yeah, another pump, and I'm actually gonna go from the bottom and move up. So if you guys have watched a few of my hair videos, I do talk about how I do struggle when I do dye my hair. I have a really dry scalp after, so I just recently dyed my hair. So my scalp does still feel like it needs a little bit of TLC as well. And so I love using oil masks, you guys, because I do find that it does soothe my scalp, pardon me. So again, I'm just gonna go right from underneath and then just massage that. And again, you guys can leave this overnight. You can use this to the gym, kind of let it soak into your scalp. And then you guys, I'm going to take a little bit extra. Now, ideally, you guys, you would want to brush your hair through. I'm going to put a little bit on my ends. The reason why you want to brush it through is because you're allowing all of that product to really massage itself all over the hair, so you're not just focused on one side. And I don't know if you guys do this, but when I condition my hair in the shower, I take a little tooth comb as well too, and I actually just brush my conditioner through. So again, it's really going to allow all of that product to move around the hair itself. And we're going to go this side just so I don't forget any portion on this side. So I'm just going to kind of rub that, and you guys, it honestly feels so good. My hair is falling a little bit because, like I said, I do shed around the winter time, which is coming up. I also have noticed, you guys, if I don't drink enough water, all of that stuff, it makes a huge difference. So if I'm not having my water intake, which I do, you guys, I drink a lot of water now, but if I don't and I'm struggling with drinking water, I will find that my next wash, my hair does fall out a little bit more. If I'm having too many sweets or things like that, like I do struggle with that. So again, it's little things that you just have to kind of keep an eye out. You know what your body needs, what your body doesn't need, and just like so, you guys. And then all I'm going to do is just going to run it just like so, because I've seen her really just like run it with her fingertips. But again, you want to make sure you're massaging the oil. And then all we're going to do is I'm going to actually just like so, see how it just kind of sleeks back. I do have a mirror here, you guys, so that's kind of why I'm looking this direction. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to twist into a little bun like so. The reason why I'm twisting mine into a bun, you guys, is because my hair, I had curled it, so it's a little like poofy, should you say. So I'm going to just leave it in a bun like so, so that all of the ingredients just allow to work into my scalp, just like so. And you guys can tell, like, look at how sleek and amazing my hair looks. So this is the oil treatment, you guys. Again, the bottle is just so stinking pretty. There is just so much thought to this bottle itself. Again, you guys, I've just purchased this, but I've seen through her Instagram feed and just following her that this bottle will probably last you anywhere from, I want to say, 5 to 6 months, again, depending on your length of hair, how often you use it. So my game plan for this, you guys, is I'm going to be using it twice a week. So every time I have a wash day, I'm going to use it either as an overnight, or if I'm, going through my work day, I'm going to just leave it in, let it soak in, and then I'll wash it whenever, kind of thing. So again, you want to make sure that you leave it in your hair for about like 2 hours or more. The other thing that I've also found as well too, which is a nice little trick, if you don't have a lot of time, put a hair towel in the dryer, get it nice and warm, and then stick that on top of your head. Let all of those oils just really honestly melt and get into those follicles and really create beautiful shiny hair. So this is it, you guys. Again, stay tuned for kind of the next few months and my progress with it, because I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. I've seen so many gals have beautiful long hair after a couple months. And again, you guys, everyone's results is different. Someone might see results in 2 weeks, someone might see results in 2 months. It's a process, it takes time. So if you don't see results within a couple weeks and your hair is falling out even more, give it time, let your hair adjust, just be patient. We all know that patience is key when it comes to things like this. So please, please, please have patience. If your results are completely different than mine, it's because we have different hair types, you guys. So again, that is, the bottle's a little oily now just because sorry you guys, the bottle's a little oily now just because my hands are a little oily. But I hope this helps you guys. Stay tuned for everything else that comes here after. But you guys, I honestly really like how my hair is just like sleeked back. Like I feel like, if if you gals are like hikers or whatever have it, you can totally leave it on there and just get on with your day. But that's it for me, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Tell me if you guys do purchase this from ByErim's site. I will, like I said, I'll post everything on in the comment section. If you guys do happen to purchase it, please share it with me. I would really like to see your results, and let's chat about this beautiful bottle and this lovely lady, and just her journey to this. So thanks again, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, you guys, and we'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day.